film this tutorial. Great idea, especially if you would share it with teachers. We would like to support our teachers as much as we can. Okay, starting out. I have sculpted for 13 years. 3 decades, right? My largest sculpture is 3 stories tall. I do massive stuff. But foil, this is what got me a job at Weta. It's fast, it's cheap, it's in the kitchen, and I can wump up something recognizable in seconds. Now, if you're sculpting in foil, foil has a dull side, it's got a shiny side. You must put dull side out. The reason is your eyes cannot perceive a sparkling 3-dimensional surface. You will have no depth perception. Next, capture a lot of air. Keep this light and fluffy and pliable. Do not crush this into a rock. That is bad. In fact, that's illegal. Don't do that. Now, if you want to make a cat, make the ears and tails separately and hot glue it together. And as fast as you can make all the bits and pieces and components, they come together and make your sculpture bigger. Okay, rough looking bird. Ordinary spoon. Use the inside edge and burnish it. And really fast, that rough bird looks a lot better. Use that side of the spoon, you get lines and details, right? That's how these are done. Now, what do I do with it? Foil dragon, right? This dragon's been coated, so it goes outside anywhere in the world. It's not for movies, it's for theme parks, zoos, gardens, museums. And I'm gonna show you how. Fortified cement clay, right? Pour water in that. Mix it into a dough. Grab your tinfoil sculpture and frost it about that thick. You got 2 hours. Do something amazing. Pow, it hardens. Pow, 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 cover the whole thing. And in 2 weeks, you can stand on this sculpture and I can ship it to an international client. This is not a kitchen thing. This is a version of metal-based clay. And it's why we made the room. On the table behind you are piles of foil. While you're here, give this a shot. Now I'm going to finish with 2 things real fast. 1, my largest tinfoil sculpture. There's a photograph on the side wall of me sitting next to a tree man, 10 feet tall. I built that in my living room just for fun. 2, if you want to know more about this or how to do it for a garden, that's the clay we're using. They've got about 100 tutorials online. Now, I love this stuff. And my hope is you're gonna try it today because you might fall in love with it. And if you do, join me at Weta. Thank you. Now, if anyone is interested in classes doing this kind of work all the way up to this level, there are sessions playing on this stream. This is part of a huge online course where we've brought everything together into one location. Check it out, there's a QR code. Other than that, head on over to that table and try some foil.